Have you ever noticed that when investors talk about dividend ETFs, the conversation almost always revolves around one fund? SCHD. And for good reason. SCHD has built a loyal following thanks to its strong dividend growth, quality holdings, and impressive long-term performance. But what if I told you that many investors are overlooking another important piece of the dividend investing puzzle? Today, we're going to compare three of the most popular dividend growth ETFs on the market: SCHD, VIG, and VYM. More importantly, we'll discuss why one of these funds may be the hidden gem that many investors haven't fully discovered yet. If you're building a portfolio for passive income, long-term wealth, or retirement, this is a video you won't want to miss. Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us, and remember to comment and share. Let's get started. SCHD, the fan favorite. Let's begin with the ETF that dominates most dividend investing discussions: the Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF, better known as SCHD. SCHD focuses on high-quality U.S. companies with strong dividend histories and solid financial fundamentals. The fund screens for profitability, cash flow, return on equity, and dividend sustainability. As a result, investors get exposure to companies that not only pay dividends but also have the financial strength to continue increasing them. Some of SCHD's top holdings often include household names from sectors such as industrials, healthcare, financials, and consumer staples. The appeal is obvious. You get a relatively high dividend yield, strong dividend growth, and a portfolio of established companies. For investors seeking both income and growth, SCHD has become a favorite for good reason. But here's the challenge. Because SCHD is so popular, many investors assume it's the only dividend ETF worth owning. That's where things get interesting. VIG, the quiet dividend growth machine. Now let's talk about VA, the Vanguard Dividend Appreciation ETF. Unlike SCHD, VIG doesn't focus on the highest dividend yields. Instead, it focuses on companies that have consistently increased their dividends year after year. To qualify, companies generally need a long track record of dividend growth. This creates a portfolio filled with businesses that prioritize rewarding shareholders over the long term. Think about companies that continue raising dividends through economic booms, recessions, inflation periods, and market volatility. That's exactly what VIG aims to capture. The result is a portfolio with many high-quality blue-chip companies. While the yield may be lower than SCHD, investors often gain exposure to businesses with stronger earnings growth and durable competitive advantages. In other words, VIG is less about maximizing today's income and more about growing tomorrow's income. For younger investors with decades before retirement, this distinction can be extremely important. VIM, the ETF many investors ignore. Now let's discuss the ETF that often gets overlooked. VIM, the Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF. VIM doesn't receive nearly as much attention as SCHD. It also doesn't generate the same excitement as growth-focused dividend funds. Yet it may be one of the most underrated dividend ETFs available today. Why? Because VIM takes a broader approach. Instead of concentrating heavily on a smaller group of dividend champions, VIM owns hundreds of dividend-paying companies across multiple sectors. This diversification can provide investors with greater stability and less concentration risk. The fund tends to hold many large-cap companies with attractive dividend yields while maintaining exposure to a broad section of the U.S. market. Many investors dismiss VIM because its historical returns may not always match SCHD. However, diversification can become incredibly valuable during periods when a handful of sectors underperform. In those environments, VIM's broader approach may help smooth out volatility. This is why some long-term investors quietly continue accumulating shares year after year. Which ETF is actually the hidden gem? So, which ETF is the hidden dividend growth opportunity? The answer may surprise you. For many investors, it could actually be VIG. Here's why. While SCHD receives enormous attention because of its yield and performance, VIG often flies under the radar despite owning some of the strongest dividend growers in the market. Dividend growth investing isn't just about collecting income today. It's about creating a stream of income that grows faster than inflation over time. Companies that consistently increase their dividends often possess strong balance sheets, reliable earnings, and durable business models. These characteristics can help support long-term wealth creation. As a result, VIG may appeal to investors who prioritize quality and long-term growth over immediate income. That doesn't mean SCHD or VYM are bad investments. Far from it. Each ETF serves a different purpose. SCHD offers a compelling blend of income and growth. VIG emphasizes dividend growth and quality. VYM provides broad diversification and attractive income. The best choice depends on your personal goals. A smart strategy many investors use. Here's something many successful dividend investors eventually discover. They don't choose just one. Instead, they combine multiple dividend ETFs. For example, SCHD can provide strong current income. VIG can provide long-term dividend growth. VIM can add diversification and reduce concentration risk. Together, these funds can complement each other remarkably well. Rather than trying to find the perfect ETF, investors can build a portfolio that captures the strengths of each strategy. This approach may help create a more balanced income stream while maintaining long-term growth potential. At the end of the day, SCHD deserves the attention it receives. It's an excellent dividend ETF. But investors shouldn't ignore VIG and VYM. In fact, VIG may be one of the most underappreciated dividend growth ETFs available today, while VYM remains a solid option for those seeking broad diversification and dependable income. The biggest lesson? Don't follow the crowd blindly. Take the time to understand what each ETF is designed to do. The ETF that's best for someone else may not be the ETF that's best for you. And sometimes, the most rewarding investments are the ones hiding in plain sight. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos on dividend investing, ETFs, and building long-term wealth. This video is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial, investment, tax, or legal advice. Investing involves risk, including the possible loss of principal. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Always conduct your own research and consult a qualified financial professional before making any investment decisions. The opinions expressed in this video are based on publicly available information and are subject to change without notice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.